I got clothes. I got clothes from different area codes. Area codes. Clothes. Woo! I absolutely love, when I'm telling you I love online shopping, it's like everything to me. Like, you find so many different things online that you don't ever see in stores. Yes, there have been times where I've ordered things online and it was probably small or too big, but since usually I don't pay that much for my clothing online, I don't get too upset. I don't really get upset. I mostly buy all my clothing from eBay. eBay, what? Yes, I mostly buy my clothing from eBay, and you just have to know what to write on eBay. So like I brought, like even this top here, this I brought from eBay a while back ago, probably for $6, I think. I have a few clothes that I'm gonna show you. They're gonna go with me on vacation. I go to vacation on September 13th. So excited. I'm not going to try them on only because I'm too lazy for all of that. I'm just going to be very honest with you. And most of these clothes you can possibly see on my Instagram, which is Rosetta, but it's spelled Rohzetuh. It's in my description. And, you know, so let me get started and show you some clothes. So this is a cute little one piece that I brought from eBay that I'm going to wear tomorrow. And it might come with me on vacation. Hopefully you guys can see it. It's cute. It's lacy. I love my lace. Okay, next. Now, you always need bathing suits. So I have this cute two-piece bikini here. Look at that. Love it. And here's the bottom. It's going to be showing a lot. I know it will be, but it'll be worth it. Alright, what else do I have? Ooh, this cute two-piece outfit. So here's the top. Here's the top. And I hope, oh shoot, it's blue, so I hope y'all can really see it. Oh well. And then here's the bottom. It's cute, it's flowy. I like the fact that it comes with a little belt-ish. The back has a zipper. I don't think I spent too much on this. Probably, I don't know how much, but it wasn't expensive because I'm cheap. Got another bathing suit. It's cute. Once again, all of this is from eBay. Didn't spend too much. Got this cute little thingy here. Isn't it cute? Only thing I don't like about it is the padding here. I don't like padding, so I'm going to have to find a way to take it the fuck out. It's cute. And as you can see, all my clothes is bright because I'm going to an island. That's a hint, because I don't want to give up where I'm going quite yet. And then, the last outfit I'm going to show you is this. This is the shirt. Now, it's a two-piece. I like the fact, like, I like the design. I don't like this here. Like, I'm in my 20s. I don't want no frilly thing looking like I'm a little 7-year-old girl. Like, my niece would rock this. Really cute. She's 7. This will look good on my 7-year-old niece. And then the final thing is these pants, which I love. I love these. I hope y'all can see them because, like I said, I'm lazy. I'm not going to try them on. And you can most likely see these on my Instagram. But yes, I had to tie it up. It's cute. I absolutely love online shopping. It's easy, it's convenient. I hate shopping in stores, but online, if I see something, click, add to cart, keep it moving. In stores, like, it's just too much. I don't feel like going through things. And I'm not really one of those people that have to feel everything and try everything on. Like I said, if it's too small, I can give it to my sister. If it's too big, I can give it to my sister. I'm winning here. But anyway, guys, thank you for watching. And if you like what you see and like what you hear, comment, like, share, and subscribe. Hey, until next time. Until next time. Oh, and hit that bell. Thank you for watching. Mwah. Bye.